The Efteling is an enchanted theme park where fairies fly by. The house of a cursed robber turns upside down and your most favorite fairy tales come to life here at the Fairy Tale Forest. But backstage it is a lot of technique and things do break down. However, the Efteling spends a lot of money annually on maintaining the park. There are some malfunctions that are here for a while. Hi, my name is Joost from Dutch Theme Park Network and I will show you 16 long-term malfunctions in the park. Let's dive in. We start our video here at Raveleijn and we start with the one we thought everybody knew. We start at Etna, the dragon of George and the Dragon. She is now asleep, but in the old days this was a really lively dragon and she was hitting the water with her tail, spraying people at the roller coaster with water, and even she breathed fire. This was an impressive effect, but it had a lot of malfunctions. And the Efteling decided to size down the movement of this dragon. And now there's no movement anymore at all. It is just a static dragon, but still an impressive one. Then Baron 1898. No, there is nothing wrong with the coaster, but there is something about the station of this roller coaster. When you look at the roof, you see all those kind of wheels hanging there. And normally they are connected with a belt or a cable. And this cable is also connected to the huge machine on your right side in the final pre-show. Normally it all turns and makes sounds and gives little bits of smoke. But the cable broke again, and that is for a while now. Let's hope the Efteling will fix this one as well, because it gives so much kinetics to the station and the pre-show. At the game gallery we find a shooting alley, or it is closed for a long time. There were a lot of trouble over the last years and at some point only 2 of the guns were operating. Now it is closed for a while. Not sure if it will ever reopen again. But if it does, maybe as an extension of the souvenir shop next door? In front of Station the East here at Raveleijn, we find in front of Station the East here at Raveleijn, we find the monkey fountain. It was gone for a really long time because the Efteling was renovating this fountain on its own in between jobs. It returned at the end of 2025 and it was a fountain for a short time, but then it became a monkey flower bed. Well, it isn't the same function as it had in the past, but this works too. During the renovations of 2016 at Gondoletta, Efteling added a mysterious fish, and it could be seen near the pedal trains. It showed up just a couple of times per minute, but it broke down really soon and never reappeared. Have you ever seen this fish? Here at the Fairy Tale Forest we have to pay attention to the fairy tale tree. He is telling stories about all the inhabitants of the fairy tale forest. But now he is only telling fairy tales. In the past you could interact with him. He asked you your name and you could choose your own main character of the next story. We know the Efteling is working to implement AI at this tree, so maybe this interaction will be back on a short note. But let's hope that also some of his friends will return, because at the opening of the fairy tale tree there were 3 animal friends here. There was a sparrow, a bunny and a squirrel. And nowadays only the sparrow is visible. The other 2 are hidden in their holes. Here at Raveleijn we find Lal's Brewery, and there they brew their own Laafse Lurk. This was a beer that was available to purchase here in the park in the old days. But that isn't the malfunctions we want to talk about. Inside, one of the lava is doing a quality check of the thing they brew inside. In the old days, his turntable was full of typically laugh glasses with the pointy bottom, and they were all filled with the drink. But now there are only 4 glasses and a couple of them are filled, and on the other side of the machine the thing that is cleaning the glasses is going down nowhere. And this was such an immersive part of the story. So let's hope Efteling pays some attention to this kind of details and restore it in its old glory. Also at Raveleijn we find Larikoekenhuis, and when we made this list there was a long-term malfunction with this mill. It was standing still, but now it turns again. And this proves that Efteling really invests in maintaining the park and fixing long-term issues, just like this mill. So let's hope it will stay this way and stays working, because it is such a fun detail. Of course we have to talk about Symbolica, because there we can find the fable fish. This was a really impressive effect. When you came into the scene he wasn't visible, and then he dove down and you discovered it was just a huge aquarium. But it stands still for a really long time. The Efteling tries to fix this one, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it isn't the way it was in the old days. Let's hope the Efteling can fix this problem, because the effect was really impressive and one of the most impressive effects of the ride. At the back of Symbolica we find this rock formation. But did you know that this isn't just a rock formation for decorations? This was a waterfall. When Symbolica opened it worked, but it broke down early 2020s and it is never been seen again as a waterfall. In 2022 Efteling promised to fix this really soon. But now, 4 years later, still no waterfall. We're not sure if it will ever be fixed. How can the Grand Hotel be in this video? It isn't open yet for a year, but still it is, because since opening day it leaks underneath the arcade. The Efteling knows that this is caused by the plumbing of one of the rooms above the arcade, but they don't know the exact source or how to solve it. So just some ground leakage? Since the opening of Max & Moritz in 2020, there was an interactive element in the queue called the boomknaller. When you pull up the lever and put it down, there was a water spray coming up from the water. But this interactive element is broke since Corona and it never came back in the interactive way. Yes, you can still give some energy to this machine while waiting there, but there is no interactive element anymore. The water still sprays up, but it isn't connected to this boomknaller anymore. Then Fata Morgana. There are several issues here. Let's start outside with the two fountains. Those aren't working for a while anymore. But inside there are two major issues as well. And we start with the rock door just besides the second wizard during the ride. In the old days this was a two-door option and it swung both ways. But due to fire regulations they had to change this in a one door that opens up to one side. And the engine can't move this door. So it's open for over 10 years now. But there is a malfunction that is running for way longer inside. And I think most of our viewers don't even know that this is a malfunction. This is actually the Yeti of Efteling. It is standing but not operating for decades. And we're talking about Jin, the giant where you go underneath. In the old days he was moving the whole room he stands in. But it broke down and all the technique for this effect is underneath the floor. So they can't fix it without demolishing half of the attraction. But we all know Efteling has plans for a major update for Fata Morgana. So maybe he will be back in his old glory afterwards. Which of these issues do you hope the Efteling will fix first? Let us know down in the comments and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and hype this video to help us to spread it to a broader audience. Do you really want to support the channel? Head over to patreon.com/Dutch Theme Park Network and select the tier that suits you best. We hope to welcome you in our community. And otherwise, we hope to see you in our next video. See ya!